so I'll start the time, turn left to a heading of 270 for my parallel entry and start down to 2,500 at 500 feet a minute. Okay, I'll set my OBS to 090 here for the inbound course. Now I see the needle is off to the right. Now since I'm outbound, that means the course is over to my left, just where it ought to be for that parallel entry because we're using reverse sensing right now. Okay, there's 1 minute now, so I'll start my left turn for that course reversal and a holding pattern. Now, I'm still descending to 2,500, so I need to be careful to catch that altitude here in the turn. I'm at 2,500 feet now, and I'm intercepting the inbound course. Okay, I'm established on a radial now. So it's time to get ready to use my mnemonic. It's time, turn, throttle, tune, and talk. And there's Oceanside, so I'll start the time, turn right to heading of 096, reduce the throttle, and get right into that 800 foot a minute rate of descent. I'll set the OBS now to 096. And now that that's all done, it's time to talk. SoCal approach, Cessna 9er Echo Sierra, Oceanside inbound.
Cessna 9er Echo Sierra, change to advisory frequency approved. Report canceling IFR this frequency. If unable, report cancellation of flight service after landing.
9er Echo Sierra. Okay, now I'm a little left the course here, so I'll set up a heading of about 101 to try and get back on course. All right, that heading worked fine, so I'll turn back to heading of 096. I think I was just north of course because of the delay in turning at the vortex, you know, due to reaction time. Okay, I'm descending through 2,100 feet. Things are a bit stabilized now. So I'll flip over to the common traffic advisory frequency and click my mic 7 times to get the airport lighting turned on. Oceanside Unicom, Cessna 359er Echo Sierra is 3 miles northwest, inbound on the VOR approach. Landing advisory, please.
Cessna 9er Echo Sierra, Oceanside is right traffic, runway 24, no reported traffic.
Roger, 9er Echo Sierra is planning right downwind to runway 24 at Oceanside. Now, here are my 3 priorities. The first is to keep track of my altitude and make sure I don't go lower than 1,140 feet. And the second is to keep track of my time and make sure I start my missed approach if I can't see the runway or the runway environment at 2 minutes and 16 seconds. And the third is the same as always. Keep my scan moving and make very small corrections sooner rather than big corrections later. Okay, it's been just 1 minute now and I'm just passing 1,700 feet. I have to be careful to not let my speed build up because that'd throw off my time to my missed approach point. Well, there's 1,400 going for 1,140. I better start slowing the descent for level off here. Okay, there's 1,300 going for 1,140. There's 1,200 going for 1,140. Slowed my descent. And now I'm including my view out the windshield in my scan. And it looks like I'm beginning to get ground contact here for this practice approach. And we're leveling off at 1,140. We're not quite at 2 minutes. And there's the runway, close in and about, 1 o'clock there. So I need to make an immediate left turn to enter right downwind for runway 24. Looks like I'm in a normal position to land, so I'll start my descent now from the MDA. Now I'll add the remaining flaps as is necessary to get down. Let's check for traffic. I haven't heard anyone on Unicom, but that doesn't mean that there isn't someone there. Oceanside traffic, Cessna 9er Echo Sierra is on a right downwind, runway 24 Oceanside. Oceanside traffic, Cessna 359er Echo Sierra is on a right base, runway 24 Oceanside. Oceanside traffic, Cessna 9er Echo Sierra is final, runway 24 Oceanside. Oceanside traffic, Cessna 359er Echo Sierra, down and clear, runway 24 Oceanside. You know, you're a pretty sharp pilot because I'm sure you've got it figured out by now. As you progress from ILS approaches to non-precision approaches and finally to circle and land approaches, your workload just keeps getting higher and higher. But that's no problem for you because you're planning ahead, you're keeping your scan moving, and you keep on doing that, you'll save the day every time.